Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. I guess it's lesson 14 today. Okay, let's start again from where we were last time. So where were we? Okay, let's open EX2 and run the first cell, pip install, da 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 da. And in the meantime, let's go down. Maybe as last time. Maybe we want to define these basic ones to define the square function, triangle function, star function, just in case we might use it later. And then, so what we were covering this, yes, okay. This is, we learned to use up, go to, and down, and yeah, draw wherever we like. Okay, so what is the homework? So last time we learned to use goto and then do the same with stars. Draw triangles in an array of grid of 5, maybe 5 by 4, and do the same with stars. Maybe we can just reuse the code and uh, save time. Okay, so this is last time's code. I thought maybe 6 is too big, so maybe let's change it to 5. And then let's change triangle from triangle to star. And maybe increase size by 20. Okay, with some modifications, I think this works. Let's try. So, okay, star, 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 3, 4, 5. Next row, going to next row, a little bigger. Okay, good. This is what we wanted. Second row, a little bigger than the first. And third row, even bigger. Okay, even further bigger. Okay, good. Maybe in the last row, biggest. Good. Maybe this is good enough. Okay. So we checked. And I'm sure we remember what drawing is like, how we can use goto statement. Okay. So let's learn what new things. Draw as you want. 1. Define a function to draw a square of size s at xy position. Maybe defining a function. You can do it, right? Stop the video and try it yourself. Okay, are you back? So let's go to new box. So define, what is the name? Maybe draw. Yeah, draw square xy, something like that. Okay, so parameters are position, coordinate x, y coordinate, and size. Something like this. Okay, so the point is, maybe we suppose the pen is up, just in case we do this. Pen up, go to x and y, square of size. Okay, yeah, right. Here, of course, I need pen down and then pen up. Well, I don't need either of them, but maybe I don't need this. Okay, so let's define. That's it. Did I write define? I should write just def instead of define. Good. Too much is too much. Okay. Draw a square on a grid of 5 by 4 with interval 100. Oh, almost the same as we did last time. Ah, by the way, maybe S is bigger here. Okay, so again, maybe we can copy a code to save time. Okay. So a little shorter than last time. So initialize okay. Maybe the size is always 50. Starting Y is say 50. Okay. 5 by 4. So vertically it's 4. And starting position is maybe 50. 50. Okay. And then I don't need this. Maybe we can just skip this. So what was the name? Draw square XY. Draw square XY. And go X and Y. And size is SS. Okay. And incremented, X is incremented 100. And after finishing each row, so by drawing 5 squares, I finish a row, go back, Y is incremented by 100, and the no size change. Okay, no size change. So I think this is good enough. Maybe we don't need it. I don't know. Maybe we can leave it. Okay, so that it seems fine. And okay, let's try this. Okay. Too bad. The initial position is here, and I forgot to pen up. So maybe here, pen up is necessary. Okay, let's do it again. This is not beautiful. So maybe initial X should be 100 and also 100. Sorry, let's reset. Take it back. Okay. Okay, square, square, square. Maybe I don't need to see everything until everything is done. Okay, so let's see what's next. Increase size by 5 as you go down one row. Same. Okay, so here, size is this, so 5. Increment size by 5 after each. Okay, almost finished. Maybe we can speed up and try it. Good, good, good. Can you notice that size is bigger as you go further down? Okay, maybe fine. Color them in red, yellow, and blue in turn. Easy, right? You can try. Okay. Of course, there are many ways. Another way, but let's just use. Okay, so color. Maybe we can use color number as I plus 1. I plus j is fine. Okay, so if C is, if you divide by 3, the modulo is 0, maybe T color, red. Okay, else, if the 3, 1, T color, was it blue? I don't care. What's the name? Red, yellow, and blue. Sorry. Okay, so it should be T color. yellow. And then else. Okay, right. Module 2, in that case, blue. Okay, maybe this is fine. Let's run it. Good. I hope you like it. Beautiful. Not beautiful, but anyway, we could do what we wanted. That's all. Very short. Do the same with star S, and additionally use green for coloring. Okay, one more color. So you know how to do it. Okay, that's all. Um, it was too short, right? Okay, be sure to come back and let's continue. A little more. What more to do next time? Okay, bye bye. Have a good time.